Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're unboxing the SKIMS by Swarovski cotton rib plunge bralette in the color Bubblegum. Now first a note about this packaging. So I did watch a few interviews with Kim K herself, and I learned that the emblem that is on the top of the boxes, which is a hexagonal shape, is actually supposed to be the shape of a Swarovski diamond. Now on the sides of the box, you'll see alternating SKIMS and Swarovski, which on the diamond shapes themselves, or in the cases for the jewelry that look a little bit more hexagonal, you'll actually see Swarovski along the long facet and SKIMS along the shorter facet. So you do get a little bit of that essence with these boxes as well. All right, so getting a first glimpse of our bubblegum pink, we can see that it's not too vibrant and it's not too pastel, so it has a nice colorway to go with it. I do wonder if this color would dull with a lot of washes, so if you know that, if you've tried it on, let us know in the comments. You can see that the Swarovski is actually not perfectly aligned, which is a little bit of a bummer. It feels like they kind of skipped a step here. So you can see it cuts off on the left and on the right, so you're not getting that full brand name. It looks like a comfortable material. It is a micro mesh on the inside and that ribbed cotton on the outside. Now I have not tried the other SKIMS products, but I imagine that this is the same, just with the different colorways and of course the addition of the Swarovski crystals. So if you are familiar with those products, these are likely similar. The band, as you can see, gives a little bit of a stretch laterally, so across the chest, while the cotton material doesn't fully feel like it has any give, maybe a slight little bit of give, but it is an unlined bra that's not stretchy, so it feels like it would give some good support depending on what kind of coverage you're looking for. All right, showing you the details, and that will be it. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.